Yes guys, I'm back. Let's go baby. Hello YouTube. FMC back again, once again over to YouTube or the platform. Now, I know we've been away for about, oh god, 3 months it's been since last upload. But there's reasons for that, I'll get into that another time. But today's video guys, we have an unboxing. And I know there's a fan in the background guys, because the body most here in the UK, here in Scotland right now. So we've got a fan on. You guys got to deal with it. Yeah. Anyway, let's get to what's inside the Amazon package. Now, I have decided to make a purchase to upgrade my setup because filming on a Hoover is the worst thing on the planet. Trust me. So, I decided to buy something for myself, and that is not on my dress on it. Thank God it's Amazon Basics because it was cheap and cheerful. Could spend money on the thing. There we go, we've got it, and it is in this suspiciously black bag, which looks quite suspicious actually, and it is a tripod. You guys have no idea how much a game changer this just is. I know it's £50 Amazon, I know it's cheap, but for now, oh, actually, oh, yeah, these clips do feel really cheap actually, but I mean, I can't complain. I need a tripod because filming Hoover's a pain in the ass, and it should come with a smartphone attachment. Right, fine. I don't see, but I'll figure it out later, don't worry. But anyway, that is the first thing. That is the first major upgrade for recording videos because there's no smartphone attachment for it. What the hell? I'll figure it out, don't worry. But the next thing, guys, the next best thing is what's in this. As I proceed to drop the thing, I just thought it costs £50 nearly. Well, £40. But it is. Oh, this is really nice packaging. Money shot. You can't see anything, but it is. Oh, it is a microphone. Because I seriously want to increase audio quality in my videos, besides the fan, but honestly, I was like, there's one thing I need for my content that makes it sound better than what it is a microphone, and it's 50 quid USB type USB microphone. Apparently it sounds really good, so I was like, you know what, I'll splurge 50 quid on this. And also, most importantly, I'm going to tell you, a mic arm. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is so cool. It's going to do production videos. I'm going to skyrocket this thing on with the phone as well, and plus watch something on my laptop, which means that is a sitting monitor. You guys look it up. That should make video production so much better because for my videos I use an internal camera which looks like absolute crap. Like, it doesn't look the best, it'll support the best from this to that, but the external camera looks a lot better to do 4K, so I've done a lot of options, so hopefully next video should look a lot better. Also, there's one more thing as well, help further with video production, and that is storage spaces. I did spurge my money. So that's some Eagle Core partners are quite good for like video content. It's a lot one for the phones because transferring files between phone to SD card to computer is a lot better than doing it via USB because it doesn't. I think it cuts down. It stops cutting down on quality. So got this as well, which is pretty cool. So many things upgrade content. Why does this come for phone attachment? Did you buy it separately? I mean, pretty tripod. It's quite cheaply made. I don't think it's quite nice one. Feels very nice and very sturdy, but clips, I mean, this thing's big. Got stuff to do, it's okay, I'm the dressers that thing, you know what I mean, fellas, you know what I mean? And women as well, and non-binary people. Yeah, anyway guys, so, I should not put this on the floor, because that's definitely, that's £50. Oh, it's the build quality of this is actually pretty nice, like, I'm not going to, like, oh, it rotates. It rotates, that's pretty good. Not really talks, don't want to break anything, but honestly, that's pretty cool though. £50, honestly, because audio equipment can get really expensive. I just noticed it's actually pretty decent band, and I mean, it's £50 worth. Oh, that's expensive, that. That's pretty cool to be honest, but honestly, yeah. So yeah, I'll be setting this up probably in the future, and more videos coming your way. So, subscribe to the channel, and guess what? I'm back in the bed. It'll be a video explaining why I've been away for so long, and multiple reasons why, but that's it anyway guys. Remember, enjoy your day, and I don't know, YouTube outro stuff. I don't know. Bye!